How to play 1v1 in CS2 Private Match in Counterstrike 2. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. To play 1v1 in your CS2 Private Match, first and foremost, launch your CS2. Now once you are in here, you can tap on the 3 horizontal line which will be present in your right hand corner. For this, you have to enable the developer console if it is not already. Once the console is ready, use the title key. It will look like a horizontal S. Now once you have enabled it, next you need to use the console command, that is cv-cheats space 1. Use with caution as it allows cheat codes. Once you enter this command, you'll be able to create your very own server. In the server, you'll be able to play your private 1v1 match with your friend. Now to invite your friend over in your server, what you have to do is you have to navigate back to your console. In here, you need to type in map. Now for an example, it will display you some of the map option that you can select. Search for IP. Now there it will display your IP address. Just copy the IP address and share it with your friend. Your friend will be able to join your server via your IP address. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.